Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to adjust kerning in Figma. Kerning is essential for creating polished, professional-looking text in your designs, and Figma makes it incredibly easy to fine-tune the spacing between letters to get exactly the look you want. First, you'll need to open your Figma application. Once you've launched it, navigate to the file or project where you want to adjust the kerning. This could be any design file where you're working with text elements, whether it's a website mockup, a poster, or any other visual project. Now that you have your file open, locate the text element you want to work with and click on it. This will select the text layer and bring up all the text properties you can modify. Selecting the text is crucial because it activates the text editing tools that will allow you to make kerning adjustments. On the right side panel, look for the section labeled Letter Spacing. Directly under this label, you'll see an input field. This is where the magic happens. You can either manually input a percentage value to adjust the spacing, or you can click and hold on the field, then drag your mouse left or right to adjust it dynamically. Dragging gives you real-time visual feedback, making it easier to see how the spacing changes as you adjust it. Here's something really powerful. If you want to adjust kerning for just a specific word rather than the entire text block, simply highlight that word by clicking and dragging over it. Once it's highlighted, go back to the letter spacing field and make your adjustments. The changes will only affect the highlighted text, leaving the rest of your text unchanged. This gives you precise control over different parts of your text, but it gets even more granular. You can actually click directly between two individual letters in your text. When you do this, you're able to adjust the kerning specifically between those two characters. This is incredibly useful when you notice that certain letter pairs look awkward or too cramped together. By clicking between them and adjusting the letter spacing, you can create perfectly balanced typography on a character-by-character level. And that's it. You've now learned how to adjust kerning in Figma at multiple levels, from entire text blocks down to individual letter pairs. This flexibility gives you complete typographic control over your designs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.